Right, guys, we're about to lock into another trade, and I posted it in amongst the group. But what I want to do is just go over a couple of previous trades, so you guys are going to get the idea as to what to expect, where this trade can go, what can happen, what can go wrong, and all the rest of it. But here we are. We're in a 4-hour chart, and what we're going to be looking at is this trade here and this trade here. Okay, those are the trades. So take a look, and well, I'm going to stop the video, and then I'm going to put the lipstick on, and we'll go over one trade at a time, as I do try to keep these videos at in and around 5 minutes. Okay, so let's put the lip. All right, guys. So here we got the lipsticks on, and funny thing, I went to my phone to set the clock because I wanted it in 5 minutes, but the phone is so distracting, isn't it? Anyway, so we got the lipstick all on, and let's just have a look and see what actually happened with the trade. This is quite interesting. So stop loss there, enter the trade, and this is where we're going to take profit. Okay, and it's quite interesting this, because have a look at what happens. You enter the trade here. We don't get a full pullback to the 50 until a day later. Remember, we're in a trade right now, aren't we? Similar setup, isn't it? Right? And what's going to happen now? Now, some people are so anxious, they got no time. They want it to work right now, right now, right now. Come on, guys. Right? Trading's not like that. It doesn't work on our time scale. It works when it works. So we're looking at this classic example here. We know the system, breaking the trend line. You know I'm in, right? It comes down, enter the trade here at the 100, pull back. Didn't quite pull back to the 50 straight away. Break at 100, we're in, okay? And we're going down. Oh, excuse that. And let's see what happens. We scroll across, Boom. Over here, we get tagged in on the 50, right? Remember, this is our target down here, okay? It's actually a little bit further than that. But let's look and see what happens, because from here to here, that's 113 pips, okay? Couple of days it's taken just to get into the trade. We could have, if I was watching this, I'm in front of the computer and it came down to the 150, I'm not bothered about 168, I would take profit. 60 pips is all good to me, okay? So we move on over, and what we see happen is, there you go, it goes to 168, just didn't quite make it. And in fact, what we also see is that, technically speaking, there is sort of another trade there, isn't it? Yeah. Point to be made, our stop loss all the way up there was never at risk. It tagged us in. It went to just 1618. Okay. And then from there, it went up, 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 up. If we'd have left it, right, a winning trade would have become a losing trade. But look at the picture. All of this up here, once it breaks the trend line, you have no idea. You're clueless. You have no idea what's going to happen next. You have no idea, okay? But your job, as is my job, is just to enter the trade, okay? And then you have to let the trade play out, okay? Take pips where you can, re-enter where you can. You know where your target is, right? You know where your target is. You know where you've entered, and you know what your risk is, okay? You know when to move stops to break you. This is textbook. It's textbook. It's been written in a book, so you can have the book right there beside you. As you see those things, you can refer to the book. And then to add to that, we have these training videos, right? A compilation of them, so you can see the strategy at play over and over and over again. You're going to make money with this very, very simple system. That's all there is to it, okay? You're going to make money. So we're going to leave that there for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. And we look forward to the trade we're in completing and also to the next trade. I got one more Aussie trade to show you. Of course, it's exactly the same setup. You'll get that in the next recording. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.